Okay, we're going to put the roof on, and we're going to hinge it so we can put the feet inside of it. So we'll make the roof to come out. And if you got a piece of wood that's a little bit wider than this, it's kind of nice to use. It just happened that I have a bunch of scrap wood because I make so many birdhouses and what have you. I don't make too many birdhouses and what have you out of new wood, but I use old wood for the birdhouse. But bird feeders, I like them because use new wood. People can paint them, put little designs on them, flowers on them, anything they want to do, which makes it kind of nice. And I happen to, this board here has been, it's like you see, it's an old piece of wood, but it's a little bit wider, so we can use it on there, and we'll cut it off about right here, cut it off. Then the problem is when you do this, you got to have an angle on it again. So we'll cut that same angle on it that we did on the other one, a 25-degree angle. Now you can see why we do that. See how it flushes in with this? And then when we hinge it, it'll lift up like this. And we'll show you how to put it on and kind of finish up part of it. So on the next segment, we'll go ahead and put hinges on this, and we'll drill a hole in the back here so you can hang it, or you can put a hanger on it, whatever you want to do. So we'll go ahead and find some hinges and go ahead and put the hinges on it.